Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Question number 11. There is the expression that is W is equals to 6.3 1013 minus P. Now, what will be the exact wind speed when the value of P is this one? Now, 6.3 times square root of 1013 minus 965. So you will get square root of 48 and treat this one as question number 4, this one, right? You will get the simplified answer. Now, so this was question number 11. Next question number 12. The isosceles. Your answer is here. The isosceles right triangle. It means a triangle in which one angle is equals to 90 angle. So it is 90 means right angle, means both this one and this one will be mutual perpendicular, right? And this is what the larger side. So this larger side is known as hypotenuse, right? And by this isosceles means this side will be equal to this side. So if this is isosceles, okay. Now that is 12. Now what is the length of hypotenuse? So just apply Pythagoras theorem here. So take name here, that is A, B and C. So by Pythagoras theorem, the square of hypotenuse, that is AC, is equals to the square of the sum of the base and perpendicular, right? So this is 12 square plus also 12 square because it's isosceles triangle, right? So this one is 144 plus 144. So in next step, there is AC square is equals to 288, right? Now this one taking square root, so you will get AC times 288. So same is the case here, right? Now factorize this one and simplify your answer. Okay. In next question, now in this question, the distance d in millions of kilometers between a planet and the sun is the function of length in and earth days of the planet's years. The formula is this one. No, here the length of 1 year on Mercury is this one, and the length of 1 year of Mars is this one. So simple, that is, if you have this diagram, it is the sun, right? And that is Mercury revolves around the sun, and that is what the Mars is revolves around the sun in its own orbit, right? Now this is the distance between the sun and the Mercury, and this is the distance between the sun and the Mars, right? which is the given by what? D is equals to what? D is equals to 25 n square cube root. Right? Now for mercury, put n is equals to what? That is that is 88. N is equal to 88. Right? So you will get D is equals to what? 25 multiplied by 88 multiplied by 88 cube root. Right? Now after simplification we will get, after simplification you will get 4 cube root of 3025. So this is the distance in million kilometer between the sun and the mercury. Right? Now in next step, that is what? Use this one formula to determine the distance between the sun and the Mars by putting the value of n here. It is 704 cube root of 25 multiply what? 704 multiply 704. Now after simplification you will get, write it properly, that is cube root, right? 5 multiply 5. So this one is here 704 by 11. 11 6 times what? 66. So 70 minus 66, that is 4, and 4 44. Right? So this by 2, 32 by 2, 16, that is 8, 4, 2, that is 1. 1 2 3 4 5 6. Right? 2 power 6 multiplied by 11. So 2 power 6 multiplied by 11 with this one, then 2 power 6 multiplied by 11 this one. Okay? Now in next step, that is 2 power 6, that is 2 power 6. So 2 power 6 and 6, it is 2 power 12 times this one multiply this one and this one, you will get the same, that is what? 3025. Now this is still cube root. Right? Next one, that is 12 2 power 12. This one in exponential form you can write that is 3, that is 1 over 3. That will be what? 1 over 3, and that is 3025 cube root. Okay? So 1, that is 4. 2 power what? 2 power 4 times, that is 3025. So this is 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2, that is 16 times what? Under root 3 3025. Right? So this is the distance between, in million kilometer, between the earth, between the sun and the Mars. Right? Now check the question. What's our goal? In this question, it says that use the substitution method. Determine the difference between the distance of the Mars and the distance of the Mercury and Mars from the Sun. No, this one. Now determine the distance. So this distance is already calculated by 4 times cube root of 3025. This is 16. So subtract this value from this value. You will get what? That is d is equals to, let this is d1, sorry, this is d1, and this is what? d2. That is d2 minus d1. d2 is what? 16 times cube root of 25 minus 4 times cube root of 3025. So you will get, that is 16 minus 4, that is 12, times what? 25. That is the distance between what? The Mars and the Mercury. Okay. Now in question number 15. A square is in a circle. The area of the circle is this one. So this is the point. Area of circle is what? 38 by m square, right? So what is the exact length of the diameter of the square? So in this question, the exact length of the diameter, what is the exact length, sorry, what is the exact length of the diagonal of the square? What is diagonal? First you should to know what is diagonal. Diagonal is a line segment which joining the opposite vertices of a quadrilateral. So that is the line segment, right? Or this is the line segment. Both are diagonal, right? So this one, it is clear from figure that it is the diagonal as well as it is the diameter of the circle, right? So first of all, we have to calculate the value of the radius of the circle, which is this one. This is the radius, right? This is also the radius. So our first step to calculate the radius of the circle. So how to calculate the radius of a circle when area is given? It is very easy. Area is equals to what? Area is equals to 38 pi m square, right? Now the area is given by, area of circle is given by pi r square, right? Now this is what, compare this one with this one, that is pi r square is equals to 38 pi m square, right? So pi will be cut down with pi, that is r square is equals to 38. Now taking square root both sides, you will get r is equals to what? 38 m square u. So 38, that is m, right? Now you can, this one, that is 38, this prime factor is 2 and 19. No, this is also the enough, that is r. Now it is the radius, this one is under root 38, right? Now this is the half of the diagonal. So if we have multiplied this value with by 2, we will get the full length of the diagonal, right? So that is r is equals to what? 38. So That is 2r, which are the diameter of the circle. That will be what? 2 under root 38 meter, right? So this is the first one. Now in this question, determine the exact parameter of the square. So for to find the exact parameter, we should to have the length of this side. So how can we calculate this side? So in this figure, this is also the a right isosceles triangle, right? Because this one is right angle, this side is equal to this side because it is square. Square have all four sides equal, right? So let this is x, this side is x, and this side is x. So we will get the this one diagram. So there is x, there is x, and this one, which is the diameter of the circle, that is what? That is 238, right? So this one, by Pythagoras theorem, hypotenuse is equals to 238 square root is equals to what? The square of this one plus the square of this side, right? That is Pythagoras theorem statement. Now n square of this one. So square of 2 is 4 and the square of square root 38 is 38 is equals to what? X square plus x square. Now multiply 4 with 38, you will get 152 is equals to what? That is the like terms, so we can add this one as a single, right? 2 will be divide both sides by 2, so you will get what? That is 76. That is x square. Now taking the value of x is equals to what? 72. Or you can write that this is 4 multiplied by 19. So this will be what? X is equals to 2 under root 19. Okay. Now there is the just one side of what? The one side of this one, it is x. It is clear. So this one is x. So the value of x is under root 2 times under root 19. So multiply this number by 4 because it is the four sides. Parameter means this side plus this and plus this, or multiply this one by 4, right? Now parameter is equals to what? Parameter of square is given by 4 times x is equals to 4 times 2 times under root 19. That is 8 under root 19. Okay. Now in question number 16. In this question, the area, it is the formula of calculating the area of a triangular region, right? So first we have to know about what is S, what is A, what is B, and what is C, right? So let me draw this one. So if we have, this is a triangular region, right? So if we have to calculate this area, right? So how? So this formula is used. A is equals to what? S times S minus A, S minus B, and S minus C square root. Now what is S, what is A, what is B, and what is C? This side is A, this side B, and this is C, right? Means that A, B, C are sides. Now what is s? S is semi-parameter. Semi-parameter means that half of parameter, right? That is a plus b plus c is a parameter, right? And take half of it. It is a semi-parameter, right? Now in this question, that is sides are given 8, 10 and 12, right? Which one? 8, 10 and 12, right? It is 8, 10 and 12. First we have to find the value of s. So s is equals to what? 8 plus 10 plus 12 divided by 2. Now add these, it will be 30 divided by 2, you, it is 15, right? The value of s is 15. So put this one in this formula, you will get what? That is 15. 15 minus 8, 15 minus 10 and 15 minus 12. So there is 15, that is 7, that is 5, that is 3, right? Now 7, 5 and 3, right? Now factorize this one. Factorize this one. 5 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 7 multiplied by 5 multiplied by 3. So it is the square root taking this 5 and this 3. 5 times 3, 7, that is 15 under root 7, right? This is the area of the given triangle whose sides are 8, 10 and 12. This is mixed in your question. It is required that your answer is mixed radical and entire radical. So this is mixed radical because this one is rational, this is the irrational number, right? Means radical number, and this one is entire, right? So calculate this, 5 multiply 3 multiply by this multiply this multiply this, you will get the whole number. Add you this, right? So this is let's suppose the product of all this is this dash, the square root of dash, it is the entire radical, and this is the max radical. Okay,